Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share with you what is YouTube clips and how to use them. So guys, what is YouTube clips? YouTube clips are basically 5 to 60 second clips of any YouTube video from your favorite content creator or any videos that you come across that you can literally clip or cut out, and you can share this whether on social media or with your friends or whoever you want to share this with. This is not a separate video or a cut out of a YouTube video that you can just cut and use. You basically take it as something like you clip a segment from a particular video and you share it, but this still attributed to the main video of that content creator. So you don't get revenue from that video. The content creators still, it does not create a new video that you can go ahead and you can post. It's just a small segment of that original video that is attributed back to the original video. And someone can literally click on that clip and basically go and view the full video from that channel. So for content creators, you don't need to worry that someone is clipping your video and that they're making a separate video from it and that they will get revenue and that they can post it on their channel. No, it doesn't work like that. Just take it as something that someone is just sharing a small part of your video, and they're just like referencing to your video and they want to share that specific part. So with that said guys, content creators can use this feature to create a small little teaser or trailer for their main videos. So this is something that is absolutely legal. This is something that is definitely going to benefit content creators or for their audience and subscribers. This is doing something like I'm promoting your video elsewhere, or I'm promoting a specific part of your video to other audience and so forth. So it's benefiting both ways right now. So how does it work and how can you actually see those clips? Now I'm on a video right here. This is a video from one of my other channels, DaVinci in Seconds, and let's say I would like to clip a particular segment of that channel video, right? So how do we do it? You want to go ahead and look towards the bottom of the video. As you can see here, you have many options like and share and download and all these things. But if you look at this option, it says clip. Now if you click on this clip, you will see that the video start to play, but don't worry about it. You want to scroll down on that page guys, and you will see another box appear and it says create a clip. You can choose 5 to 60 seconds of any video that you choose. As you can see, you can't bring it more than 60 seconds. You can just bring it to wherever you want and it will play. Right? Want to use the search at the top there. Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add borders to a video. Now, in case it is plain, as you can see there, in case it's plain and you want to pause it, hey friends, in this video, just press the space key on your keyboard and it will pause, right? I know you don't see any pause button, but that's how you go ahead and do it. So you can move it anywhere and it's going to start to play, right? But if you press the space key on your keyboard, it will pause it for you and you can just, do whatever you want. But it's really up to me. It's really up to you. I pause it because I'm speaking to you guys and I don't want to have two voices at the same time. But in your case, you will just let it play because you will find the part that you want. You can always set the times manually here if you want, and you want to give, and you also want to give it a title from this section as well. So here's a section where you can give it a title as well. Now, once you go ahead and create it and give it a title, just simple click and share clips. And once you click on share clips, let me show you. So let's say I call this DaVinci. I can simply click on create or share clip, and it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna pop up and it's gonna give me like a link or something like that. So as you can see, I have the link here. I can copy this link, I can post it wherever, I can watch it in YouTube or whatever. I can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp. You see so many options, right? So I'm gonna copy this link, and let's say I'm going to open up a new window and I'm going to paste that here, and you're going to see that it's also like from the YouTube, it has a link. And if you go back to the original video, you can see, just have a look at the YouTube ID, or let's say for that specific video here, T88A, right? So if you go to that video that I basically opened, you can see that it's basically different. So it looks like a different video, but when you click on that link, now let's take you over. You can see that this video is just about 12 seconds, but it does not change the YouTube channel. It does not change the title of the video. It just shows you that it's a clip, and it has the scissors icon here, and it shows you that it's a clip, and it's just a 12-second video of that original video. So there is no people using your video, or there's no issue with repetitive content or something like that. It's just a clip from your original video. And as you can see here, that every views, everything, it goes back to your video. So that's a wonderful thing from YouTube. You can see everything about that video that is there as well. So that's what I just want to share with you guys. And you can see here on the upper right hand side that while this clip is there, if you look to the upper right hand side, it shows you the name of the clip, and it shows you the channel, and it shows you a link to click to watch the full video. And someone can also share this clip as well. So guys, YouTube is coming up with some really cool stuff here that is helping content creator to get more views, to get more publicity on their channel and their videos as well. So let's say someone like this and they were like, whoa, I want to watch the full video. They can easily go ahead and click watch full video, and it's going to take them over to the YouTube video as well and to the channel. And as you can see here, it just shows me the full video now, and it doesn't even, and it just basically show you that, hey, this is the full video and the video is 2 minutes and someone can just watch that video. So that's how it works, guys. That's how clip works. It's really useful, and you can post it wherever on any social platform, and it's going to be a reference to that original video. It's just, the only difference is that it's a 5 to 60-second clip of the original video, but you can always view the full video by clicking watch that full video once you're on that clip, right? So you may be wondering, okay, so that's how it works. I can do it for other people video, but I can do it for a video that I like, and that's perfectly fine. Now, if you're a content creator, you might be wondering, okay, how can I see the videos that people clip from my channel, right? What you want to do, you want to go to, once you're on YouTube and you sign into your account, on the left hand side, you'll see an option that says clips. Now, if you click on this clips, you will see the clips that people clips. So you will see the clips that you clip, and you will see the clips that people clip of your video. So as you saw before, this is a clip that I clip from somebody's video, which is myself as well, but a different channel. And this is the clips. Now you can also see videos that someone clipped from your channel. So from my channel, if I click by viewers, you can see that someone clipped 2 of my videos already. And these 2 videos, someone just randomly find my channel, really like that segment of that video. They basically clip that small segment and they post it somewhere, right? And it shows the views that it get and all those different good stuff, right? So this is how you can really know, and you can see it's clipped by a certain person. So this was clipped by Timothy, and this was clipped by Emiliano. So you can know who actually clip your videos and so forth. And you can go ahead and you can watch them. So let's say I want to see what is the section of my video that this person clipped. I can go ahead and I can open up that video and I can see the segment.
Simply right click on the Windows icon here, and you want to go to Device Manager.
So you can see that this person literally clipped this small segment of my video, and I can see who basically did it. So he wanted to show disable Bluetooth, and I can see what he put for the title, and I can see who it is, and I can even go ahead and I can view this person's channel, or I can share it, or I can report, whatever it might be. You know exactly what was done, right? So and I can and this will also take me back to my full video. So if I click on that, you see it takes me over to my full video as well, and this is my full video, right, that was posted over a year ago. So this is how you can create a clip, how you can view clips that you create, and also clips that were basically created from your videos as a content creator by people. Now, the last thing I want to share with you is, what if you don't want to have clips enabled on your channel and you just want to disable this because you don't want people to be making clips from your videos? This is very easy to do as well. So what you want to do, you want to go into your YouTube studio. As you can see, I'm in my YouTube studio. I'm on the community, but it doesn't matter. No, what you want to do, on the left hand side, you want to go to your settings. Click on settings, and under channel, you want to click on channel. So you have general, you have all these different options. Click on channel, and you want to go to advanced settings, and you want to scroll all the way down, guys, to where you'll find the option that says allow clips. So as you can see on the clips here, it says allow viewers to clip my content. Now, if you don't want this, just simply uncheck this box and click on save. And people will no longer be able to make clips from your videos. And I'm going to show you. So I click save here. Let me go back to one of my videos so that you can see. You will see now for this video, it's not even showing anymore, right? It's not even showing anymore. And if I refresh that video, you will see that it's not even showing as a video anymore. So I can go to anyone. Let me go to my channel as an example. Let's view the channel here and let's have a look at one of those videos. So let's come here and
Hey guys, welcome to Drew.
so let's come here and let's go ahead and let's say I open up, for example, this latest video here, right? If I click on this video, you will see that
Pokud ještě neumíte efektivně
while this is an ad, you can still see that the clip option is not there at all, right? So if you want to enable that again, it's basically to go back to the settings and ensure that you go to your channel and you can just go to the advanced and you can enable it. If this is something that you want to do and you want to ensure that you have clips enabled. So it's in a nutshell, that's basically it, guys. That's basically how to go ahead and enable clips on your YouTube channel. That's basically how to go ahead and have people use clips, and if you want to disable them, that's how you do it. So guys, I really hope you found value within this video, and I hope you understand now what clips are and how to use them and the benefits of them. So if this is something that you didn't know about, now you know about YouTube clips. And if this is something that you knew about and you wanted to get rid of it and don't know how to disable it, you know as well. But with that said, guys, I want to thank you for your time. I know this was a bit lengthy video, but I hope you get the value and the knowledge out of this video about what clips are and how to use them, and of course even how to disable them. Thank you guys for your time. See you in the next video, guys. Have a nice day.